Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hello.
Here to show you another Camaro we got in. A silver 2015 LT Camaro. It's a 6-cylinder automatic. Silver with a black interior. This one has 119,000 miles on it. Again, the paint and interior seems to be in pretty decent shape for the mileage. It looks like they got an aftermarket exhaust on this car because that 6-cylinder wouldn't have had those big exhaust pipes. And they've added a larger spoiler to the car. Other than that, it's pretty much just like she would came from the factory. They've added some red highlights to the dashboard, the center console to give it a little flair. Another inexpensive 6-cylinder Camaro.
Cool. All right, let's take her down the road.
'15 6-cylinder Camaro with 119,000 miles on it.
Car almost broke down.
Car almost broke down. We're gonna drive by him away, everybody. Save it our mechanic. He's such a funny, nice guy. Nothing gets that guy down either.
I know.
All right, so we got working gauges. That's good. Probably scared them people. Whoops.
Oops.
Horn works. Oh yeah, it's got aftermarket.
Oh my goodness.
Well, if you're
gracious.
looking for a loud 6-cylinder,
We got it.
have one.
All right,
Come
cool.
check it out.
Come check it out. Skyway Classics. Thanks for tuning in.